This is quite possibly the ultimate cable management solution. This is the FlexMount Cable Manager, and it's a system I designed to tame your cable mess under your desk. So a modern workspace is usually accompanied by a whole bunch of cables. You have media cables, USB cables, power cables, and that all contributes to a messy desk. What we came up with was a system that will consolidate these cables and virtually make it disappear. I designed the FlexMount to be adjustable. We had to accommodate our existing accessories. So let's say you have a pop-up grommet that's about 8 inches tall. You can adjust that tray lower in order to accommodate that. Installation is a breeze. All you need is a Phillips head screwdriver and you can install the system in under 2 minutes. The way I approach the design problem is I put myself in the user's shoes. It gives me perspective, and that gives me a jumping off point to start finding solutions. I think people are gonna love it. It's easy to install, easy to use, and it complements the aesthetics of their desk. What's great is that it's included with every purchase of our V3 standing desks. It's all in one package, or you can purchase it separately. If you need more information, you can go to our website at upliftdesk.com.